Today is November the 22nd, 2022. Trading and investing of any kind carries risk. Everything discussed here is for entertainment purposes only, not to be taken as financial advice because I don't give advice. Well, now, interesting day. An all-day slow creep all the way up to this wick at 400. All day long. And there was nothing that was going to stop it. So we talked about this yesterday. I was kind of hoping that we would gap halfway up, maybe to this area here, and kind of work the rest of the way, but nope. Started to try to push in pre-market, sold off at the market open, and then just never looked back. Just kept on going. So what does that mean? Well, that means that whoever placed this order is now not going to get in trouble. So anyway, beautiful, 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 beautiful. We hit that level. So for the future, if you see that happen, we've not traded there, there's a very, very, very strong chance we're going to get there. So something about today, though, that is very special is that it's one of those days where you can actually really, really start to look and study support and resistance, especially as a newer trader. And I say that because if you look at how we pushed up here and we pulled at the open, right? We found support right here in this area. You don't have to worry about this line. These are just Fibonacci lines. So, right, we found support in this area right here. Because remember, support and resistance is not really a line as much as it is an area, So there's that. So the next interesting part here, I say interesting part, but the next piece of it that really helps you study support and resistance is we look at this push. We pushed up, we pulled back, and we found support right here at this pre-market level, right? We found it right in here, just above VWAP, right at the pre-market level areas. So then we found that support, we popped, pulled back again. Where did we find support? Once again, we found it at these pre-market levels, right? Then we went to push and we pulled back. We found it again right here in this area. So, it's amazing how this works on days like today. So, we continue to push, found support right here in this area, right at this peak here, found support there. Then we push up again, try to pull back. Why did we stop there? Oh, how about because we popped through this midsection? Well, what is this center right here? Why does that matter? Well, it matters because this. That's why it matters. So we popped through, came back down, found support in this area here. And we didn't even really stay there that long. We started getting closer to the end of the day. So we really had to start making our way up because, it was a very slow day. So it's just one of those days that you can study and go back and look at and, look at where the consolidation happened. We never really pulled that far below it once we got these orders that came in. It was just a really good day to go back and study for anything like this. It is anyway. So, yeah, I just wanted to do a bit of a follow-up from yesterday because that wick came in. We were looking at that. But the interesting part of this is, if we're to zoom out here, we're still in the same areas. We have not left this particular area. So, interestingly enough, that means we have not broken outside of this bear market, right? We haven't popped through this trend line. So we're still in a bear market. We're still in this bear market rally. So we'll see if we continue to push, or we'll see if maybe we pull back, continue to consolidate in here, or maybe if we even pull, right? Because you have this setting up here Now, I haven't really gone and measured anything, but let's see. Got this setting up. Right, so that could very possibly play out. We'll just have to see. We'll have to see which way we want to go. So this pattern can actually continue out. I haven't actually measured it, but if I were to say it could continue out, I would say it would continue out to somewhere right up in here. Yeah, give or take, somewhere right up in there, 404, 405, something like that. So yeah, that's where things stand. That's where everything is. There's not really a lot more to talk about, and as I go through this, other than that's what's tomorrow. So tomorrow we have the Fed minutes that come out, and we'll have to see. If they're bad, I would say we pull. Who knows how far we'll pull? Doesn't mean we'll pull all the way back down here. We might pull, bounce off this trend line. We might just pull down and stay in this consolidation area. Because look at where a majority of these orders have been, and even more came in today as we moved up. We had some more consolidation orders come in today. Now, nothing crazy significant. They're really just, standard orders that have been coming in off exchange trades. So, yeah, we'll see how this goes. But I'm definitely looking forward to tomorrow, to get through tomorrow, see what happens, and then kind of go into the holiday season and see where we go from there. So, I like making these videos. Tell your mom, tell your cousin, tell your sister, tell whoever. Like, subscribe, comment, anything. Every little bit helps. I appreciate it, and I will see everyone hopefully tomorrow.